Well, it's billed as Utah's most expensive development with its tallest building designed by the world's most famous living architect. Fox 13's Max Roth shows us the design that's the talk of Lehi.
In the site, there are a few buildings that stand out right away to you. And those are what we would call iconic buildings that Frank would envision doing specific designs for.
Frank is Frank Gehry, and he does design icons. The Disney Concert Hall in Los Angeles, the Guggenheim Museum in Bilbao, Spain, and now a development in Lehi?
Utah, to this point, has really not been known for its superior architecture.
Until now, Andersen says, this development will include hundreds of condominiums, an amphitheater designed for concerts and recreational activities, a 10,000-seat basketball arena almost entirely underground. And at the center of it all, a 450-foot-tall five-star hotel. They say this will be the tallest building in the state.
If you're building the most iconic development in the state, ever built in the state, you should have the tallest building in the state.
For decades, the LDS Church office building has held that distinction.
I think that the church officials will understand. It was bound to happen sometime.
An unusual feature, 2 lakes specifically designed for the sport of wakeboarding.
We see this as being a very relaxed, very sports-oriented type community.
All of it on these 85 wind-swept acres directly underneath the Utah County slope of the point of the mountain. Andersen and his investors will pour in a lot of money.
You can estimate that it would be in the several $billion.
Looks pretty cool. That was Max Roth reporting. Andersen submitted a request for a zoning change from Lehi City. If that goes through quickly, he says he anticipates the entire project being complete in 5 to 7 years. All right, let's check.